All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking new tools. All right, so got some new tools. Talk about them a little bit. We'll go from there. All right, so first new tool is from Mac. It's a 17 millimeter half-inch drive hex socket. Why? Wrench testing. So this is actually a replacement for my 17 millimeter hex that I did some initial testing with wrenches and it ain't gonna be used again. So this is to do axles on Volkswagens, so hopefully I won't be able to break this one. The Harbor Freight, by the way, is what I've been using and it's been solid, but I got this one because I'm lazy and never get over to Harbor Freight. All right, now a warranted a tool, but we're going to call it a new tool because I don't think many people know about this. Now this is in some catalogs it's called a Cotter pin pulling tool or a seal puller. Part number on it is Mac Tools S120P. It basically is a big old hook and a couple places to, beat on. So you can hook it on the seal and boom, 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 knock it out. I've used this extensively to the point where I broke this off of it, got it warranted. So technically a new tool, but replacing a broken one. All right, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I grabbed one of the 40th anniversary Matco black ratchets. This is just for fun. Honestly, if you've been paying attention to my videos, it's been hanging up there. And we're gonna go ahead and hang it back up there because that's basically where it goes. I've already got chrome, it's just cool, so I got one. All right, the last one we're gonna talk about is, some of y'all don't understand that I buy tools to do videos on, and not so much for my day-to-day at this point. I mean, I've got 2 toolboxes or locker, 2 roll carts. I've got plenty of tools. So I don't always need something for the day-to-day. I've been buying tools to review for you guys so you can get some, possible ideas for tools. Now the tool I'm going to review is the Astro 78825. Ooh. And this is Astro's version of the OTC hub grappler. Now, unlike the hub grappler, this does not have a way to pull the hub out. And if you watch my video on my use of the hub grappler, you know I don't generally use the hub part of it to pull a hub. I use a slide handle. So this is a much more affordable way to do on the car wheel bearings. It works exactly the same, and well, we'll see if it is as comprehensive and does everything other than pulling the hubs out the hub grappler does. There's less actual physical pieces, it seems like. I haven't counted them, but it seems like there's less actual physical parts to it. And the one thing I'm kind of interested to see how it handles is this coarse thread forcing screw. Now I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet, so it's not going to be a review, but it does have a very coarse thread forcing screw as opposed to the OTC, which is more fine. And instead of a conical washer that's designed to act as a bearing, it's just got 2 washers. So we'll see how it holds up. My goal is, if this is a good tool, it'll give you a good option for doing on-the-car bearings without spending the money for the OTC. Now, I love the OTC kit. I paid for that tool, by the way. I know I'm sponsored by OTC, but I bought that kit long before I had YouTube. So I'm going to try to use this on every wheel bearing I do, see how it does, see how it holds up, and I will come back with you once I've got several bearings under my belt with it and tell you how it does. Now, worst case scenario, if it doesn't work well, it's a whole lot of press adapters. So, might buy one of these for the press anyway. They're cheap. Let me rephrase that. They're inexpensive. So, look forward to that review. If you want to see it, make sure and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified if you look. If you want to see that review, make sure and subscribe. Make sure and hit that, if I could talk. If you want to see that review, make sure and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. You like my new tools? Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, subscribe. Oh, Oklahoma. If I could string together my spiel, my outro. So if you want to see the okay, I've got that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more video, all right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You don't like my new tools? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.